Hi all, today I'll tell you about UAN. UAN is Universal Account Number. In this Universal Account Number, it is obtained from your employer, your HR, or it's in payslip, and this is utilized for accessing Unified Member Portal, which is a portal of EPF. In this EPF portal, you can withdraw your money, you can take advance, everything you can update your KYC, everything you can do yourself. No help is required from anyone else. Okay, but for doing all these things, you first need to activate your UN. This UN number, after getting this UN number, I am showing you how to activate it. Okay, and under this UAN there is several PF numbers. Okay, like when you are joining an organization, they give you a PF number. Universal account number remains same, PF number changes. For this company you have one PF number, when you change the company you have another PF number. All this PF number, the service history is shown under this UAN, okay, website. For activating UAN, first you need to have this number. You can get it from your HR also, or you can have it in your payslip. Many companies are showing UN number in payslip. Okay, after getting this, open the link. This link I'm showing you the link. This is the link that you have to open. Okay, if you are not able to note down the link, or if you are not able to get the link, you just write Unified Member Portal in Google and you will get this link automatic. Open that. Okay, after opening the link you will get the page which I am showing you. You will get this page, and on this page you need to activate UN. You need to click the activate UN. I am showing you the place where you need to do this. See, here it is written activate UAN. Click on this activate UAN. Now after clicking on that, this page will come. Okay, see, in UAN there already a dot is there. Okay, already a dot is there in UAN. So you write your UAN number over here, then you write your name over here, then date of birth you have to write over here. Okay, mobile number which you have provided to your employer, which is given in EPF, you have to write over here, and then enter the captcha which is written over here, you have to write here. You need not enter email ID, it is not compulsory. After doing all these things, just click here. Okay, get authorization pin, you will receive a pin, click here. After clicking on that, you will get something which is written over here, disclaimer. Okay, this is just a declaration. You have to click here, I agree. Click here, I agree. Then OTP ID and SMS is gone to your mobile number, which is the number which is given in your EPF, the number you have provided to your HR. That OTP you have to enter here. Okay, enter the OTP here and then click validate OTP and activate UN. After you do that, your UN is activated, and on activation of UN you will receive an SMS which will carry your password. Upon getting that password, you can access Unified Member Portal. In my next video, I will show you how to update your KYC in Unified Member Portal. In this video, I am just showing you about activation of UAN. Now another thing is there, like if you don't have a UAN number, you can do this with your member PF member ID also. See, here it is enter member ID. If you don't have your UN, you can give enter member ID. Okay, enter member ID, and the name you have to give, mobile number you have to give, date of birth you have to give, same captcha you have to do, get authorization pin, the same process you have to follow, and you will activate your UN in this process. Okay, so if you don't have your UN, you can do with this also.